Setting up your own email marketing platform sounds complicated, right? Let me show you how Acelle Mail makes it easy with a clean web wizard. No command line needed. First, set up your site name and create an admin account. Then configure how the system sends emails. You can use Gmail, SendGrid, or any SMTP server. Now connect your MySQL database. Enter the hostname, port, and credentials. The wizard will create all the tables and seed the initial data automatically. The database is connected. Now click Initialize to create all the tables and seed data. This usually takes about 30 seconds. Almost done. Set the PHP path for the Cron scheduler. This handles sending queues, bounces, and automation in the background. That is it. Installation complete. The wizard handled everything, no terminal needed. Let us log in and see the dashboard. Log in with the admin credentials you just created. And here is your brand new dashboard. From here you can create campaigns, manage subscribers, set up automation, and track everything in real time. And that is how you install Acelle Mail. 5 minutes, no command line, fully self-hosted. If this saved you some research time, a thumbs up really helps. See you in the next one.